Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to add the Read More element inside Grigora posts. First, go to the Grigora site dashboard. After reaching the site dashboard, open the Post section. Open the post where you want to add the Read More element. Navigate to the exact section after which you want to add the Read More. Inside an empty text element, type /Read More, then add it. After adding, you'll see various settings for the Read More block. Alignment options, left, center, and right, font size, padding, border settings where you can change border type and thickness, border radius, icon inside Read More, you can also upload custom SVG icons. Style section with text color and background color options. Update to save your changes. Now let's see how the Read More block appears on the published website. As you can see, the Read More block has been successfully added, and when a user clicks on Read More, the rest of the post will open up. Try using the Read More block to make your long posts more manageable and improve user experience. See you in the next tutorial.